5.
Hi, my name is Liam. Welcome to Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you ever wanted to know about being in the 6th grade. Today my special guest is Justin, who will be talking to us about his trip to Disney World and his brother jumping off the ride. Welcome, Justin. Also joining us in the live studio audience, Class 603. Welcome, 603. So Justin, what happened?
So, we're at Disney World. It was like 3 years ago, maybe 4. And we were on a ride. It's not that steep, but it's like you go. So it's me, my brother, my sister, and my mom. My dad was, I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something else. And so the ride goes goes straight, and then it goes down. It's pretty fast, but it's not that steep. It's not straight down. So, you know how you pull the bar down when you're getting ready?
Sure.
So, and there's a seat rest behind it. So my brother and my sister were in a row, and then me and my mom behind them. And my brother was pulling the seat in front of him, that bar, instead of the bar that comes down. And the ride was about to start, and we were getting all worried because it's pretty fast down. We thought he was gonna fly off if he didn't have the bar down. So he kept pulling the back seat rest, and it was funny. Not really, but so he couldn't get it down. My mom was pull the other bar, but we were all panicking. So the ride started. He's still pulling the back seat rest, and he was nervous because he thought he was gonna fall out. And so once you're going down the hill, there's a staircase next to you coming up, and there's water underneath the ride.
Mm-hmm.
So he jumped while we were going down because the bar didn't come down yet.
Mm-hmm.
He jumped off the ride onto the staircase next to it, and he landed on it, and we were really scared. And then after that, second after that, my sister pulled down the right bar, so it came down. So my brother was on the staircase. We were going down the ride. He walked back up to security while we were in the ride, and the ride's pretty long. So my mom was really worried, what's he gonna do? What's gonna happen? And so we've eventually got to the beginning again. We saw him there, talking to security. He looked really nervous and stuff. And yeah.
So was your brother injured?
No, thank God, because if he missed the staircase, there's water underneath, and then the roller coaster would ran him over, so he wouldn't have made it.
And how high was the part of the ride that your brother jumped off of?
Well, there's a staircase next to us, so it was maybe 1.5 feet away from the actual cart thing. So he jumped off and he landed. Yeah. And we were really worried. When we got back, my dad was there. Good. That was good, because my dad was there, and he was it's okay. Because my brother was really worried, but he was fine. He was it's okay, and yeah.
I think we have a question from the audience.
How did you first personally feel about your brother jumping off?
Well, I was really scared, but I saw him land, so I wasn't as scared. If it was going really fast and I didn't see him land, if I didn't know where he was or anything. So I wasn't that worried because I knew he was there, but I was still worried because I don't know if he hurt his foot jumping off or anything, but thank God he didn't.
So, what did did you see your brother, and what did your brother say after the ride?
Well, once we got off, he was like kind of laughing because like he was fine and it was kind of funny, but well, he was fine. At first, he wasn't, like when we first got off, but then my dad came and he was like, calm down and everything, you're okay. And then, so, he was pretty good.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. I'm Liam. Goodbye for now.